Hi, this is George. In this video, we are going to see about pair trading using Ironfly. So before getting into the video, please do subscribe to this channel. Also join our Telegram channel for instant updates. Also, please like the video if you genuinely like it. So this is again like last week only we see another pair trading strategy using straddles, but this time with a slight adjustment of like with Ironfly, that is like making the straddles into Ironfly by hedging them. We are going to see a significant increase in the return on investment. So let's watch this video till the end, so that with very minimal adjustment from what we saw in the last video, we are going to earn so much in this. So in this, the capital required is only 1 lakh. And pair trading, as I have explained before in few videos, that it is like we are going to trade in both the index, which is Nifty and Bank Nifty. And the capital required in Nifty is 60,000 and Bank Nifty is 40,000. So the idea behind is like we'll be like going short in one side and going long in the other side, so that both the indexes will hedge each other. And also, as we know, like Bank Nifty is more volatile than Nifty, we are going to go long in Bank Nifty and going short in Nifty. And in this video, I'm providing the last 18 weeks results manual backtesting, which I have given exactly for the straddle as well. So the same comparison, we are going to see how it will be changing if we make it the straddle to Ironfly. And in this again, actually there is absolutely no adjustment. Once we start this Ironfly, it will be till the end it will be the same without any adjustments. So this is very much suitable for working professionals and part-time traders. And as I told, this like this strategy was like suggested by a YouTube subscriber. So if you do have something like you want to like test something, then please do let me know and I can try doing that. And if it is giving a good result, then definitely I'll share it so that everybody can be making use of it. Disclaimer: this is only for educational purposes. Please do your research before taking any trade. This is not a recommendation, but just my view. So let's get into the core of the strategy. We are going to enter the trade by previous expiry day, which is a Thursday at 9:30 a.m. and we'll be exiting the trade by 9:30 a.m. on the current expiry, like the Thursday of the current week, so that we can carry out the expiry trade. If the like we are closing by 9:30 a.m., then we can like enter into our expiry day trade maybe around 10 or whatever time we prefer, and we can do that on that day, because as we know that the expiry day there will be more theta decay. So in this, what we are going to do is like, as you saw, like just like a straddle, we are going to sell ATM call and put option in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. And we are converting into Ironfly, right? So we are going to buy hedges both sides for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. For Nifty, it is like 500 points OTM of call and put we are going to buy. And for Bank Nifty, it is 1300 points OTM call and put we are going to buy from ATM price. Say for example, if Nifty is trading at 16,000, we'll be selling 16,000 call and put, which is the ATM, and we'll be buying 15,500 put and 16,500 call as the hedges, making it Ironfly. Similarly for Bank Nifty, suppose if it is trading at 38,000, we buy 38,000 call and put here as we are going long in Bank Nifty, and we'll be selling 1,300 points away, which is 36,700 put and 39,300 call option. So this is the like a kind of the table of last 18 weeks. What is the profit loss summary? So I'll take you to the Opstop to explain it better. And as I'm going to show the same 4 weeks that I have shown in the last week in the simulator, so that you can see like how it has changed from straddle to Ironfly. So last time also we saw initially as the 26th May, which was the higher like the maximum profit that we're getting. So we'll start with the same. So 26th May we are going to start. So if it is 26th May, then we'll have entered on 19th of May. By 9:30 we will be entering. So here the ATM is 5950. So 5950 we'll be shorting ATM, and we'll be buying 500 points for call and put, which is 15,450 and 16,450. And let me do the same for the other one also. So we are going to enter on 19th at 9:30. ATM is 33,400. So we'll be longing, we'll be like going long, which means we are buying 33,400 both the side, and 1,300 points, which is 3,200 we are selling on lot 33,400, right? So 34,700 we are selling on lot. Now let's see what will happen both sides. You can see like it will be like a, this is kind of inverted, it's a V shape. This is a like an inverted V shape in Nifty and Bank Nifty respectively. Now we'll see what it happens on 26th of May. So as we see, like on 26th of May, this is ending in a profit of 7,000, whereas Bank Nifty is going to end in again 8,000 rupees profit. So here 59.50, it has won only 130 points, and though we have shorted it, we are getting profit. Though if it is still, it is a hedge, it is like having good profit. And here it has, as it has moved little like 1,300 points, we are having again profit here. So here it is like 7,200, and here it is 8,400 or 500. So you can see 7,200, 8,500. Both the side we are getting profit, and we are ending in 15,000 profit. Then next, see the next case on 5th May, which I think is the highest loss which we are making the last 18 weeks. And also this is the only week on the 26th May that I, like last video also I told, like this is the only case that we had made profit in both the sides. Or else usually will be like all the, okay, 17th of February also we had made. But generally if you see, it is like very rare scenario only. Most of the weeks we will be like making one side profit and one side loss. Here also it is like a case where we are making both the side profit 7th April. But last week video, if you have seen, like there was only one trade which was 26th May out of 18 weeks that was having like only one, like both the sides profit. All other 17 weeks there was at least 1 week loss. Even that was 1 week there was 2 loss, I guess, I'm not sure. But in this we can see like 3 weeks there are like both the sides profit, and not even 1 week the both the sides, okay, 1 week there is both sides losses also there. So these things we need to consider before getting into the trade. Okay, now let's get into the 5th of May. So for 5th of May, we would have entered in the last week, April Thursday, which is 28th of April, and 5th of May. So here again 5th of May, and this one same for Bank Nifty. You would have entered on 28th of April, exiting on 5th of April, sorry, 5th of May. Okay, so what is the ATM of Nifty? 1700. So 1700 we are going to short here. So we are selling ATM call and put, and 500 points away, which is 16,600 we are buying. 17,600 we are buying. We would have got the inverted B here, and here it is 36,000 is ATM. So 36,000 call and put, we will go long. 1,300 points away, which is 34,700 we are shorting. 37,300 we are shorting. Nifty by 5th of May we are getting 417 profit, and Bank Nifty 5th of May we are getting 9,000 loss. Market has not moved anywhere actually. Like only 400 points movement is there, and like here also we are like not making much profit, and here as it has not moved much, and we would have collected only the premium like here. So the profit is only 417 and 9,586. So 479, so the losses around 9,200 odd. The other 2 weeks which we have seen in the last video also, let me explain so that you can have a comparison with the last video. So next is going to be like a 12th of May. So let's go to 12th of May. So 5th of May we'll be entering. 12th of May we are exiting. ATM is 16,800. So 16,800 we are going to go short, and 500 points above and below. 16,300 put, 17,300 call we are buying. Same with Bank Nifty. If it is for 12th of May, 5th of May we are entering, 12th of May we are exiting. 35,600 happens to be the ATM. 35,600 we have to go long. 34,300 we need to short input. 36,900 we are going to go short in call side if I'm not wrong. Let me just check. Yes, it's right. Okay, so let's see what happens in Nifty on 12th of May. 9,660 we are making loss here. Market has moved up very violently, like almost 900 points from the place that we started on the previous Thursday. So Bank Nifty, let's see what happens on 12th of May. Bank Nifty also has moved like 1,500, which is okay in percentage is not so high as Nifty. So here we are making profit of 11,050, whereas we are making loss of 9,660 here. So as we saw, like 9,600 and 11,000. So we are ending in profit of 1,400 odd. Last video we would have seen like it was a very big loss because Nifty, which was like we would have got a very big loss, but Bank Nifty was not giving so much profit, so we ended in a big loss if you would have seen the last video. But here, with the help of hedge, we are making it profit. Though it is not a very big profit, but still we are not losing. So it is a win situation again. And the final simulation we will see on 19th May. So for 19th May, we would have entered on 12th May. So 12th May, the ATM at 9:30 is 15,950. We'll be shorting here. And 15,450 we are buying. 16,450 we are buying. Similarly for Bank Nifty, 19th of May it should be. So 9:30 ATM is 3,400 exactly. So 3,400 will be going long. 1,300 points is 32,800. Put 35,400 call. Okay, so Nifty by 19th of May, 9,200 almost profit. What is the wrong I have done here? It should be short 35,400. 35,400. We are not going long, we are going short. Okay, it looks correct now. So 19th of May, we are making loss of 4,200, whereas we are making 9,000 profit here. 9,000 profit, 4,000 loss, so overall almost 5,000 profit. So this is how it is. So in this again, out of the 18 weeks, we can see like 13 weeks we are in profit, which was like way higher than last week what we saw. So it is like 72% probability of profit, and overall profit again almost 50,000, and average profit or loss per week is 2,700 profit, and ROI per month is 11% for the capital deployed. So 11% per month is a very good return on investment for the capital. And we, as I told in the previous slide, we close it by morning so that we can do other expiry trades, or we can hold on to it if you want to. You can just hold on and do some like closing legs, like losing legs. You can like roll over or do something to mitigate the losses if you want to. That also can be done. And also one more thing here is like we can also do on one index alone. Maybe like we can do only Nifty short, or you can do only Bank Nifty long also. If I do this only like back testing, because if you add these also, it was coming somewhere around 22,000 profit. And if you add all these things also, it was coming somewhere around 26 or something. Both were like 50,000, right? Both of it were ending profit only, and maybe you have got almost good return only. But the thing why we are doing in both the side is because if you come like add both the things, the probability of profit is totally 72%. Say suppose a person is like, okay, I'll do only Nifty short with hedge, that is like Nifty straddle I'll do. So Nifty iron fly I'll do. In that case, Nifty short they'll do, and then for hedge they'll be buying OTM. In this case, what will happen is like, say suppose the first week when they do only if they suppose get 6,000 loss, and again in the fourth week they are getting 9,200 loss. In that scenario, they'll be like totally they'll be lost. So you get like almost 15,000 loss this month, and only 4,000 they have taken profit. So which means they have ended in 10,000 loss. So it might be like little disheartening for them. But if they are combined with Bank Nifty, you can see like overall it is turning out to be profit only 6,000, 8,500 minus 1,500 or whatever. So it is ending in profit only. Say suppose if you are like a person who's doing only on Bank Nifty, he would have somewhere encountered a scenario where say here the 2-3 consecutive weeks he's getting lost here. Say 5,000, 3,700, 7,000, 9,000, 4,000. So at this point of time he'll be like disheartening. But if as he had done with Nifty, it is like 3,000 profit. It is like only 1,500 loss. Maybe here it is a loss. Again, these things are all profit. So that is the reason I'm like kind of emphasizing pair trade is better than doing a standalone index. So try to understand the principle or reason behind it, and if you like this strategy, you can definitely go ahead. And as I said, like previously, this was something like suggested by one of the subscribers. So similarly, if you do like the way this video is taking you, then if you have some strategy, however crazy it may be, then you can please ping me and you can like tell your strategy, and if it is like working, then definitely I can backtest and give it to you, and I can even post this in the public forum so that everybody can make use of your strategy. So that's what I wanted to say. So thank you. Let's see in the next week with some other interesting and exciting video. Thank you.